In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the eraser tool in Photopea. Photopea is a versatile web-based photo editor that mimics the functionality of traditional desktop applications like Adobe Photoshop. It's accessible, easy to use, and best of all, completely free. Whether you're a beginner or someone with some editing experience, mastering the eraser tool can be incredibly handy for precise edits, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, let's start by navigating to the Photopea website. Simply open your preferred web browser and go to photopea.com. This will bring you to the homepage of Photopea, where you'll find an interface that closely resembles other popular photo editing tools. Now at the top of the screen, you'll notice a tab labeled P Drive. Click on this to access your saved projects or to upload a new image to work on. This can include previously saved files or any new photo you wish to edit today. If you haven't uploaded anything yet, just drag and drop your image or use the Open option to get started with a fresh one. Once your image is set up and you're ready to proceed, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where the toolbar resides. You're going to want to click on the eraser tool, which is represented by the icon that looks like, for lack of a better term, an old school pink eraser. Clicking on this option will activate the erasing functionality. Now that you've selected the eraser tool, it's important to know how to use it properly. To erase an area of your image, simply click, hold the mouse button, and drag over the parts you wish to remove. The eraser tool will allow you to control how much or how little of the image you erase, using brush settings that you can adjust at the top of the screen. This can include the size of the eraser and its hardness, which gives you immense flexibility depending on the type of image or level of detail you're dealing with. A useful tip to keep in mind is that you should frequently zoom in and out while using the eraser tool for finer details or larger areas. This ensures precision and reduces the chance of erasing unintended parts of your image. Additionally, don't forget that Photopea supports layers, so if you're working with multiple layers, make sure you're erasing on the correct one. And there you have it. You now have the foundational skills to effectively use the eraser tool in Photopea. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different images to fully grasp the potential of this tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching and happy editing.